So guys, this is morning time, pretty cold in Jaisalmer. So there are around 150 desert camps here in this some desert. That is, we spent the night here in the desert, in a desert camp. Then we had a wonderful camel safari, and how to do it, how to book, all these details I will tell you, and what is included in all these packages that are going around. So these are some of the morning views that you are seeing of the Golden Fort in Jaisalmer. So guys, today's program is like this, that we are going to check out and go out for a desert safari, and then there we will do a camel safari followed by a local traditional dance, and then we will stay in Swiss tents. So I'm going to review them for you in Jaisalmer. And right now I'm sitting on the majestic Jaisalmer Fort. So guys, now we are going to some sand dunes. So these are famous sand dunes of Jaisalmer, and this board shows some. So today what we are going to do, first we will do camel safari, and after that we will check into our Swiss tents at the desert camp, and then there we will have a halt for overnight. So this some sand dunes are like 40 kilometers away from main city of Jaisalmer. So we are in Kuldhara now. This is considered the ghost village of Jaisalmer, and this is the story behind it. And for entry for one person, fees is only 20 rupees. It is on the way to some sand dunes. So on the way you make it a point that you visit this ghost village also. It looks interesting. काफ़ी 200 साल मेरे ख्याल से पुराना है, और कहते हैं यहाँ कुछ किसी तांत्रिक वगैरह ने शाप दिया था, और उसके बाद सडनली इस विलेज को लोगों को खाली करना पड़ गया. तो अभी देखते हैं, इसके बारे में सुना काफ़ी, अब देखते हैं अंदर क्या है. So this is the entry. So the entry little bit they have restored, and here there is a real thing. They are the total ruins of the ghost village. So there is nothing basically but some ruined houses and some imagination, and you can just imagine some stories about those people who inhabited this village once upon a time. कुछ खंडर बच गए, और आप सोच सकते हैं कुछ कहानियों के बारे में, इन लोगों पे क्या बीती होगी, कैसे रहते होंगे इस मरुस्थल के बीच में. काफ़ी बड़ा है ये एरिया, टोटल निगलेक्टेड है. मुझे लग रहा है जैसे मैं हड़प्पा के जो ruins है उसमें आ गया हूँ. But really there is something creepy about it that I can tell you. रात को यहाँ बहुत ही डरावना लग सकता है. और नीचे देखिए पूरी सैंड है. तो एग्जैक्टली डेजर्ट के बीचों बीच बना हुआ है ये गोस्ट विलेज. तो भैया कभी भी जाएं सम ड्यून्स पे तो रास्ते में ये पड़ता है. तो जस्ट मेक श्योर 8-10 किलोमीटर आपको गाड़ी अंदर मोड़नी पड़ेगी, बट इट इज़ रियली वर्थ इट. तो यहाँ अपना अच्छा छोटा सा एक्सकर्जन हो सकता है. Activities. You can see a man parasailing. He is tied behind a car. So we have reached some, and you can see scenery has dramatically changed. So this is called Some Dunes. Yeah. So Golden Sands Resort. This is our resort. So we have reached our destination. So this is our desert resort. It is called Golden Sands Resort. I will just give you a brief room tour. भाई जी चाय भिजवा दीजिएगा. भाई जी चाय भिजवा दीजिए. दिस इज द एंट्री रिसेप्शन एरिया. जी. These are the camps, and this is even play area for children. That is very surprising. Camels are just on the opposite side. We will have some chai, and then later we will check out for camel safari. So this is their contact number, and this is the room. This is a Swiss tent. This is the highest category of VIP room. You can see the facility. Even full-fledged mirror is also here. AC is here. Tea maker is here. Then this are complimentary. And this is the most important part. Toilet is so neat and clean in a desert. Even they give the soaps and whatnot. This is working nice. So very nicely built. And toilet is, this is the roof. Shower is here and running water is here. Even there is a grill to hang your towels. So no need to worry about anything. And this is for storage. Very beautiful trunk. And this is the view. You're right in the middle of desert. So this is time for evening safari on a camel. And this is the choice we have. Okay. You like it?
Yes.
Very sensational, right?
Yes.
Now you are riding a camel. So guys, what these resorts guys do, they will give you a camel, then they will tell you it is for 45 minutes, then they take you for like 10 minutes, then on the top of a dune that you just saw, they will leave you, and then they will say you can enjoy yourself, and then they will take you back when the sun sets. And if you have to go an extra 3 kilometers into Thar desert, then they take some extra money. So this camel guy, he asked me for some money, so I'm paying him extra to go further into the desert. So this is how practically it is here.
Мы так вниз идем, прятаться только. Так страшно выглядит.
Помаши, дядя.
It's wonderful, wonderful experience. So guys, this is the real Jaisalmer experience. Whenever you come, this is a killer.
Да? Как ты можешь? Привет, верблюд. Привет.
Верблюд.
Сейчас дядя нас спустит и будешь собирать грязь.
ऋतिक रोशन.
अच्छा, ऋतिक रोशन है.
जा.
अरे वाह, बैठ गया. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम सलीम खान.
सलीम खान, क्या बात है. कितने साल के तुम?
10 साल के.
10 साल के. और अच्छे से चला लेते हैं इसको, कैमल को?
हम इसका बाप.
बाप है. चलिए, बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. सुंदर है कैमल तुम्हारा.
और इसका
So this is the evening cultural performance that they are having. We had our evening snacks and chai here. Soon we will have our dinner. So a beautiful sunrise at some sand dunes in Jaisalmer. And there below is our desert camp now. So it is morning time, and again we are doing camel safari. This time it was 200 rupees per camel, and he will take us to the sunrise point on the top of a dune, but we bargained it for 100 rupees per camel. So there is another hack. If you want good rates for camel, always go in morning camel safari. Is much cheaper, because in evening there are a lot of people, because mostly people want to see the sun set, and during sunrise most of the people are indulged in their resort breakfast and their bed tea, etc. So you can make use of that opportunity and have camel at much cheaper price than in the evening. सो गाइज, यहाँ पे जो कैमल सफारी होती है उसके बारे में आपको थोड़ा ब्रीफ कर देते हैं। जो कैमल सफारी है मोस्टली आपके पैकेज में इंक्लूड रहेगी, बट जब आप सफारी करेंगे तो वहाँ पे वो रिजॉर्ट है, देयर इज़ द रिजॉर्ट, और वहाँ पे वो दिख रहा है, ये वाला सैंड ड्यून है यहाँ पे सामने, इन दोनों में से एक दो। तो यहाँ पे आपको लेके आएगा कुछ 100 मीटर और कहेंगे कि ये दिस इज़ द इंक्लूडेड पार्ट, आपका कैमल वाला कहेगा। नाउ वो जो आपको ड्यून दिख रहा है उसके पीछे नेशनल पार्क करके ये लोग कहते हैं कि 3 किलोमीटर का राउंड देंगे, विच इज़ लाइक ए रियल कैमल सफारी। तो उसके लिए कहते हैं, अगर इवनिंग में जो हमें ऑफ़र किया था पर कैमल, वी वर ऑफर वाज लाइक 650 रुपीज़ वी हैव टू पे पर कैमल। तो हमारे पास 2 कैमल थे तो 1300 रुपये हो गया। तो मैंने उनको बार्गेन करके, दे कम डाउन ईजिली, यू कैन बार्गेन एज मच एज यू कैन, तो वो लोग काफ़ी कम कर लेते हैं। तो अगर आपने, इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम बजट ऑप्शंस, क्योंकि सनराइज में पीपल आर मोस्टली, सनराइज इज़ मोस्ट सॉफ्ट आफ्टर अमंग पीपल, तो मॉर्निंग में रश कम होता है। इफ़ यू वांट टू सेव ए बक देन लुक फॉर मॉर्निंग सफारी। मॉर्निंग में हमें यहाँ पे जो इंक्लूडेड पार्ट था, जो मैंने बताया आपको, रिजॉर्ट से लेके इस ड्यून तक, सिर्फ 100 रुपये पर कैमल पड़ा, और 200 रुपये में 2 कैमल। और अगर मैं चाहता तो ये मुझे मेरे ख्याल से 300-400 रुपये में, 400 रुपये में, आई थिंक 200 रुपये में, या टोटल 500 में 2 कैमल पे ये नेशनल पार्क मुझे पूरा घुमा लाता, जो कि कल 1300 रुपये का था। आई थिंक दैट डील आई विल अवेल फॉर only 500 rupees in the morning. So it is always suggested, if you want to save a buck, then go for morning safari. And morning sunrise is around, during the winter season it will be around 7:40 AM. It is not that early. After cultural activities and whatever fun you had in the night, after all the night activities, and you can easily have your bed tea, and then you can make yourself ready for a beautiful sunrise. It is not like in the plains it is 5 AM or 6 AM. It is reasonably later. So morning mein you can look for this safari, and you can have a good photo session with the crimson sun over the horizon of Jaisalmer desert. So this is the tip.